Well, it's a beautiful day down here on the shores. A little bit windy, but big wave action could mean some beautiful sea glass treasures. Wow, just beautiful down here today. I've just started making my way here in the wash, and I found some interesting pieces like that blue cobalt cornflower, and that other cornflower over here. This piece of tile, which still has some cement to it, a few pieces of coal for some coal keychains, and some white and other pottery. So not a bad little find, just starting out here in the wash area. Looks like I got out of there just in time before that big wave came up and right over the rock where I was standing, so I'm pretty fortunate in that moment. Just beautiful down here on the shores. Cape Breton Island today. Now here are two different finds. The wire used to go around this piece here for the telephone poles, and this piece here actually used to sit atop the telephone pole. Kind of neat, but too big for what I need. Well, I'm about halfway down the beach, and I didn't find much, but I found some beautiful pottery and some gorgeous little tinies. I'll keep making my way down the beach. There are other glassers here on the shore. Let's see what I can find here today. It is an absolutely beautiful morning for a beach walk. I did find some coal pieces to make keychains with. I'll have another quick look on my way out to see if I can find some more. But I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my Instagram and Facebook at Seaglass. Have a great day, everyone. I'll leave you now with the sounds of the ocean. Hey guys, I had mentioned that I was trying to find little pieces of coal, and these are the reasons why. I make beautiful coal nugget pendants on silver clasps with a sterling silver chain. I also make silver wire wrapped keychains and silver wire wrapped pendants. These pieces here I've actually crafted into antique brass pendants that are perfect for the naughty boy at Christmas. On a black corded rope, these pieces look absolutely beautiful. These for the naughty girls. Of course, keychains can be used by anyone. So just to show you some of what I do with the pieces I find here on the shores of Cape Breton Island. Thanks again, guys, and keep watching. Have a great day.